What's the meaning of cross-examine? Cross-examine. Cross-examine.
Cross-examine. Cross-examine. Cross-examine means to question a witness or someone who is giving testimony in a court of law, usually by the opposing party's lawyer, in order to challenge or verify their statements. The result of cross-examination is to try and expose any inconsistencies, contradictions or inaccuracies in the witness's testimony and to test the evidence presented against them. This helps to establish the truth of the matter being disputed and can either strengthen or weaken the case of the party conducting the cross-examination.